When we speak English, we don't pronounce the T. Iyo tuvuga Icyongereza, ntabwo T tuyivuga. Urugero, you don't say identify. You say identify. Do you understand? Who can give it a try? Okay. You. Tubwire. Ome if. Ariko sha. Aha. Ubyira mwarimu n'umunyeshuri we reka tubyirengagijeho gakeya. Mu byo bavugaga harimo inyuguti ya T n'uburyo iba pronounced, uburyo ivugwa mu Cyongereza. Ntabwo ibyo bavugaga byose ari uko atari byo, harimo kuri kwinshi. Niyo mpamvu tugiye gukomeza turebe ubundi buryo butandatu ushobora gukoresha inyuguti ya T igihe uvuga Icyongereza, cyangwa uburyo inyuguti ya T ikoreshwa n'abantu igihe bavuga Icyongereza, especially the native speakers, by'umwihariko abene rurimi. Uburyo bwa mbere rero ni igihe bayivuze ukayumva. Hari aho mwarimu yavugaga ngo T ntabwo iba pronounced mu Cyongereza, ariko iba pronounced in many cases. Urugero, T ishobora kuba pronounced iri gutangira ijambo, igihe itangira ijambo. Urugero, nk'iyo tuvuze ijambo top. Iryo jambo top, urumva ko inyuguti ya T iravugwa ukayumva, top. Urugero, they found us on the top of the mountain. Irindi jambo time. Time is money. You have to be quick cause you have got no time. Uburyo bwa kabiri T ishobora kuvuga ukayumva nk'ijwi nyine nka T ni igihe isoza ijambo. Urugero, lit ni ijambo lit. The last weekend was lit. Ikintu kiri lit ni ikintu cyiza cyane, something that is very good. Ijambo rya kabiri sit. They told us to sit. Irindi jambo fit. Oh, you have to wear clothes that fit you. Uburyo bwa kabiri rero inyuguti ya T ishobora kuba iri silent. Makuriya mu ntangiriro ya video byari bimeze bavuga yuko T itavugwa, haraho koko T iba iri silent. Yaba nko mu ijambo Christmas, Noheli, Christmas. There is T there, but it is not read at all. Listen, umva. Listen to me, nyumva. Ijambo listen, urabona harimo T ariko nayo ntabwo iba read, ntabwo isomwa. Uburyo bwa gatatu ni ibyo twita flap T. Iyo T iri hagati ya vowels, T between vowels. Iyo T iri hagati y'inyuguti. Urugero, better. Uzumva abantu bavuga aho kuvuga better bavuge better. This one is better than the other. Irindi jambo water. Do you want to have some water please? Cyangwa mu ijambo later. Aho kuvuga later uzumva abantu bamwe bavuga later. Urumva ijwi riri hagati ya T na D. Later. Urugero, would you mind coming later? Rero ntazagira umuntu ubivuga gutyo, don't be confused. Tazananirwa kubyumva. Uburyo bwa kane ni igihe inyuguti ya T ivugwa nka ch. T iyo iri imbere ya R, iyo ije imbere y'inyuguti ya R isomwa nka ch. Urugero, tree. This is a very big tree. This tree is very big. Urundi rugero, country, our country. Urumva ntabwo ari our country, it is our country. Our country is developing a lot. Cyangwa mu ijambo trick, iyo T yaje imbere ya R ihita ch. Trick. Uburyo bwa gatanu ni igihe iyi nyuguti iba yabaye sh sound, ijwi ryabaye sh. Urugero mu ijambo nation, a nation. Cyangwa mu ijambo patient, a patient. At the hospital there are many patients. Cyangwa umuntu akakubwira ngo you need to be patient. Cyangwa mu ijambo action. Actions speak louder than words. Uburyo bwa nyuma rero ni hahandi T ishobora gusomwa nka j. Equation. Reba nko mu ijambo equation. igihe abantu bigaga mathematics cyangwa n'abantu bazi bya mathematics, habaho ibintu by'amahurizo bita ama equation. Uze kunyandikira muri comment umbwire niba hari irindi jambo uzi ririmo inyuguti ya ta ariko ikabisomwa nka j nko mu ijambo equation. So this is all I have prepared for you today. We have learned 6 ways of pronouncing the letter T in English. Abantu mwageze hano mwibuke yuko turi kwiga dukoresheje uburyo bwa Google Meet. Muze kunyandikira kuri WhatsApp hanyuma tuganire turebe uburyo ushobora kuimprovinga icyongereza cyawe dukoresheje uburyo bwa Google Meet, aho twiga turebana. Upfa kuba gusa ufite telefone yawe cyangwa ufite laptop ukaba ufite na internet. Nyandikire kuri WhatsApp hanyuma tugufashe kuimprovinga icyongereza cyawe aho waba uri hose, be it in America, Canada, Australia, Africa, any part of the world. Come and improve your English with us. So if you have reached this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.